Hey, how's it going YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, Bitcoin is trading around $94,000. The more you learn about Bitcoin, the more you realize that price movements in the short term don't really matter. Bitcoin is the ultimate tool to make life cheaper over time, and I'll explain exactly how. Let's dive into it. Fiat money. The word fiat comes from the Latin word and it means let it be done. Every time the Federal Reserve says let it be done and creates new money, whether it's physical dollars or digital dollars for banks, your purchasing power is stolen. Think about it, the money you work hard to earn is devalued every time they print more. This hidden tax called inflation or dollar debasement eats away at your savings and forces you to work harder for less. Imagine a lion could just snap its fingers and summon a gazelle for lunch. It might sound convenient, but what if the gazelle is stolen from another lion? That's what fiat currency does. It allows money to be created without any work, effectively stealing value from everyone else. Bitcoin, on the other hand, operates on proof of work. Just like the lion that must hunt to eat, Bitcoin requires energy and effort to create it. This ensures that value can't be stolen from you or diluted, it's earned. Dollars are ice cubes. Holding dollars is like holding ice cubes. Every time the Federal Reserve creates more money, your ice cubes melt a little more. Over time, their value evaporates into nothingness. Bitcoin is like holding a battery. It stores the energy, the time, and work you've put into earning it without dilution. No matter how much time passes or how many people adopt it, Bitcoin preserves your effort for the future. Bitcoin is freedom money. Bitcoin isn't just about making life cheaper, it's about freedom. It's the true separation of money and state. When governments can't create money out of thin air, they lose the ability to fund wars or frivolous programs without taxpayer consent. Bitcoin forces accountability. It's money that serves the people, not the powerful. By saving in Bitcoin, you're opting out of a system that takes without asking and building wealth in a system that rewards fairness and hard work. Bitcoin makes life cheaper. The reality is fiat currencies lose value over time because they can be printed endlessly, and Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins ensures your purchasing power increases as adoption grows. Life gets cheaper when you measure it in Bitcoin. A house that once cost thousands of Bitcoin now costs only a few, and in the future that number could shrink even further. By saving in Bitcoin, you're locking in your time and energy while the world catches up to its value. Start saving in Bitcoin today. You don't need to start big, just $10 a week, $40 a month, whatever it is, whatever works for your budget. What matters is consistency. Every Satoshi you save is a step toward financial independence and freedom. Let Bitcoin store your work, your time, and your energy for a better future. If you're ready to start, here are some tools to help you get started. River Financial is the most trusted way to buy Bitcoin. They have full proof of reserves on their website and earn some free Bitcoin when you sign up using my link. Strike is one of the easiest ways to buy and send Bitcoin seamlessly. Use my referral link for some fee-free trading. Protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet like Ledger. Use my affiliate link below to support the channel. Bitcoin isn't just a way to make life cheaper, it's a way to make life fairer and more secure for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.